The overall goal of this protocol is to provide information on when a virtual supermarket can be helpful in consumer research and how the virtual supermarket software can be used.
The virtual store helps answer key questions about how consumers respond to in-store marketing tactics, especially when these are difficult to change in real life, such as store layout. The main advantage of this technique is that the virtual store enables the study of in-store consumer behavior in a realistic and flexible, yet tightly controlled environment.
The relevance of the virtual store in studies of consumer behavior extends beyond traditional retailing, because virtual reality is not limited to actual or current shopping environments.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because the virtual store consists of many features and functions. Visual demonstration of this method is critical because preparation and data collection steps can be difficult to learn. Many details require expertise to ensure correct preparation and implementation.
Begin by opening the Virtual Store Builder interface by double-clicking on the Virtual Shot Editor icon on the desktop. Open a store template that is suitable for the study by clicking File and clicking Open. Select the desired store template. To make modifications to the store based on the experimental conditions and research plan, use the right mouse button and move the mouse to zoom in and out. Use the left mouse button and move the mouse to change the viewpoint. Replace existing products with products of interest by double-clicking on an existing product and subsequently pressing the Delete button on the keyboard to delete this product.